Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here for ARES Tools. In this video we're going to demo our ARES 15081 manual pneumatic fluid extractor with brake bleeder adapter. This large capacity tool, 10 liters to be exact, works to extract engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, and also can be used for bleeding the brakes, just to name a few things you can do. It features a two-way design that allows for manual fluid suction with the included handle for pumping, and also we have the shops air, so you have a pneumatic connection here with its automatic overflow prevention and quick drain spout. You're able to prevent messes during use and avoid difficult cleanup afterwards. We have multiple adapters to use for a broad range of coverage, including our added brake bleeder adapter. It's ideal for removing used fluids from ATVs, boats, farm and industrial equipment, vehicles, motorcycles, small aircraft engines, snowmobiles, and more. So let's look how this thing works on an application. Okay, so we're going to remove the dirty brake fluid from the master cylinder on this car. You pick out which adapter you're going to use and attach it like so. Go ahead and place it in the master cylinder, and now you can manually pump it or use the shop air. So we're going to manually pump it. As you can see, the fluid comes up and the level is dropping. Or we can go ahead and switch it to the main. So we refilled the master cylinder with new fluid, and now we've moved down to the wheel, and we've opened up the bleeder, and we've put the bleeder attachment suction hose here, and so now we can suction out all the brake fluid out of the line, giving us clean fluid all the way through. So you see how that does it manually, and it does retain some of the suction in there when you do that, so it's going to keep sucking. And also you can do it with the air. So you want to be sure that you keep an eye on the brake fluid level in the master cylinder, because otherwise you'll start sucking air through the system and you'll have to start all over with. And always follow the recommended procedures from the manufacturer on starting with which wheel and going forward with that.